Thank you.
I need to take a shower. Thank you. Oh, Guster, you're such a good helper. Thank you.
Come here. Come here. Well, hello. You so handsome, but you so mean. Why you so mean? Oh, shit.
Hello. Hello. Hello, hello. Go ahead, Bubba. Take it home. Take it home, Bubba.
She's going to look at him. He's a whore, bro. He's a whore. Every woman, he just wants. Just ignore him. Ignore him.
Look how close this lady is behind us. I let Kratos lag a bit behind to keep space.